Alright, so first I'm gonna take a cardboard cutout, just like this, a rectangular cutout. Okay, you can see the thickness and everything. Okay, and now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take these 4 pieces, these cutouts. You can see the shapes, you can copy the exact same shape and design, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna attach this on top of it like this. Okay, and then I'm gonna leave a space in between so that I attach my gun mechanism over that, from where the web will come out, from where the bullet will shoot out, the Spider-Man gun mechanism. And for that mechanism I'm going to take a pointer and I'm going to take the back side of it. You can see this part, and on this I'm going to attach a stopper and a spring. Like for example, I made this beforehand, a stopper and a spring mechanism, and I've glued it stiffly. As you can see, it's not breaking and it's strong. Okay, and with that I've also taken this cylindrical shape made from paper. It is of the same size of the gun mechanism. Okay, like I'll show you when I'll insert this inside it. Now see, exact same size, it has fit perfectly. And now for the top of it I'm gonna take a nozzle, and for that nozzle I've made this from the paper, exact white paper, same as the cylindrical shape, and I'm gonna glue this on top of it. Like for example, I made this one beforehand. You can see the cylindrical shape and the nozzle placed over there, and on top of it I've taken a cardboard cutout and I've rolled it on top of it like this. You can see the strip of cardboard, I've rolled it like this, and then I've placed it on top of it. Everything is glued. You have to take the help of a glue. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my gun mechanism, you can see the spring mechanism, and I'm gonna insert it inside this. Now for that you have to be gentle. You don't have to bend the paper, and you also have to apply the force. Force will be needed and it will be fitted perfectly. Okay, now you can see everything is in place. You can also glue the mechanism. Okay, and now for the bullet part, I've taken this strip of paper, and then what you have to do is you have to roll it. Okay, now just roll it. Okay, roll it. I've sped up the video, then you can see you have the bullet over here. Now I've made these bullets beforehand. You can see the exact same shape, size, with the same technique. And now let's just test it. Okay, now watch carefully. Damn, did you see that? Again, did you see that? Now everything is done, the mechanism, the bullets, everything, it's all done. Now the thing is that we have to attach this mechanism, this gun mechanism on top of it, and the other pieces on the cardboard cutout. We will be taking help of a glue, but first let's just test it. I'm doing this so that I make a marking where I have to attach all of these, and I'm gonna make markings roughly with my nails. You can take a pencil and anything, that's up to you, but I'm doing this just for the video, to speed up the video. And now I'm gonna take the help of a glue, and I'm gonna apply the glue just over here. Okay, now this is attached. Now the cardboard pieces. It's all easy, you don't have to do that much of work for this shooter of Spider-Man. The previous one which I made, the PS4 shooter, that you have to do a lot of work for, but this, it's just so easy. You just have to do work on the mechanism, and you have to learn that and see that very carefully. And now it's all done. You can see I've attached velcro so that I stick that on my wrist, and then I have attached a thread on the bullet. Okay, you can pause the video and you can see and I copy everything. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna see if it is, sticking on my wrist. If it is, I'm just struggling. Yeah, it's done. It's all done. It has stick perfectly. Now let's just test it. But do remember, you have to, insert the thread. You can see the thread inside the bullet, so that when you shoot, the web comes out. But now I'm just doing it roughly just to see the mechanism and everything, if it is working on my wrist or not. Okay, now see, I'm gonna release it. There you go. So it pulls the string along with it. When you shoot that, the pressure is so much that it pulls the string along with it, so you don't have to worry about the thread not coming out. You can see. I'm gonna do it again, since if you haven't seen that. I'm finding the place and then just push it and then release it like this. Again, you have to insert this thread inside the bullet with the help of a toothpick or anything, so that when you shoot, the web comes out like this. The pressure will be so much that you don't have to worry about the thread not coming out. It will come out. Okay. Now you can, color it in the exact same way, the black and the red color. You can copy everything. You can also pause the video and then, tally that. Thanks for watching.